everybody. Thank you for joining me at Lori Houston Art. We are going to do a quick flower pop, and I am using some leftover paints, all greens and yellow today. This is Amsterdam Phthalo Green, and they've been sitting on my shelf. Yep, as you can see. So here we go. I'm just using up, I've never done a green flower pop. I take that back. I did do one a couple years ago. I think it was for St. Patrick's Day. All right, this one is Liquitex Professional Light Emerald Green. Again, when I say these have been sitting on my shelf, I thought it was a good time to try some different colors. All right, let's go with this one. This is pretty. This is Folk Art Color Shift Green Flash. Let's see if I can squirt this one. Yeah. Green Flash is so pretty. It really has an iridescent to it. Oh, but I didn't want to do that much. We'll spread it out. There we go. No worries. So that one is a little thinner, obviously. All right, let's go with this custom green. It says custom on the bottle. And what I think it is, it's just a bunch of greens together. No biggie. And we've got a little bit of Soho Lemon Yellow. Okay. We've got a little bit of Artist Loft Chromium Oxide Green. Yeah, I told you we were doing greens. I wasn't lying. And it might turn out to be mud. We will see. Okay, and then this one is Deep Lagoon Shimmer. This is kind of a greeny color. This is from Porridge Posse. If you haven't used Porridge Posse paints, they're amazing. The problem is there's so many paint brands, as you all know, and I want to use all of them all the time. But I will tell you that I love her paints, and they're just beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right, let's give it a little bit of, this is Soho Fluorescent Yellow. Let's give it a little bit of zing here. Why not? Okay. Woo, look at that. I think I'm going to use the rest of this. I got a lot of paint, and here's the thing. I am trying to get rid of some of these paints. They have been on my shelf forever. Let's torch this. And I do want to use some of them up for the new year and start fresh. I've got some global paints and Nova Color, Blick. All right, let's see how this is. We're going to tip this about. Remember, I used all that up there. So we're going to get some of that off. Woo! That was a waste of paint. I realize it. So I'm sorry. I should have poured it in a container. That's okay. Goodness gracious. You know what it is? I have not been doing small canvases like this. I got away from doing small, and now at the bazaar, I have a lot of functional art down there as well. So, and I took my garbage out this morning. I just realized, let's take this off. And I have a lot of functional art down there. And my charcuterie boards and trays and stuff like that are really very popular. So I'm just making some of these smaller. Oh my gosh, I wasted some paint. Oh well, that is what it is. I think I can probably scoop that up. All right. Here we go. Now, I am going to actually swipe with Creative Inspirations Payne's Gray. So doing a lot of color testing with colors for my Flower Pops. It's become very fun. All right, to test the different swipe colors. All right, I think, do I want paper towel on this one? Or do I want surface pull? Let's do paper towel. I've been using a lot of, let's see, yeah, that'll be good. Got to dampen the paper towel. I've been using a lot of plastic on these smaller canvases because I typically like the way that it just pulls on that surface. All right, so you got to do, it's got to be very taut when you do this way. We're going to lay it right in the blue. Perfect. Not perfect. Right up there. There we go. There we go. Yeah. Ooh, very pretty. Now these are some bright colors. I'm going to come down here on this edge. I'm just going to run that off. Give it a little bit of, I'm liking the background so far. That's why I said I'm really experimenting with different swipe colors. And I found that when they stay on my shelf, they seem to react better. I don't know, maybe it's just me. But, ooh, I'm loving this background. Let's get over there to that corner. Straighten this background up. Get that yellow off the corner. And again, just kind of use that as my, okay, now we're going to straighten this up. I just got to kind of watch it and there we go. Ooh, that's a beautiful background. Do you see that? I'm just gonna, and all I'm doing now is tipping this to the way I want my background. Let's start blowing out these flowers. I know I've got a mess and I have so much drying up here. I don't really have a spot to place this at the moment. So we're just gonna blow out the way that it is. Making sure that's that I do want to use that as the top. Maybe do the flowers this way and leave the negative space there. All right, let's try it. Here we go. I'm going to do a very, very big blowout. Okay, I am not crazy about that flower at all. So what's happened when you mix all these greens together, you get green. And so I'm going to have to play around with this. And there's just no other way around this this color palette. I'm gonna kind of play around here. I don't know. I'm gonna do one here. I'm gonna skip around. Okay. Do the same thing I did with the other. Drag this through. We're going to do this. And the center on this is just estimate. 12. The center is 6. It's right, I see where I gotta go on this paper towel right there. Okay. Yikes. Here we go. I love it. Okay, good. Good. Okay. Do this one. Keep it right on the center line. Make this one simple. I could just do 2 flowers like that. The background is gorgeous. Should I? Or should I do one more? I don't know. Beautiful. Okay, let's go down for a quick close-up. This is so pretty, the end results. Okay, so they're not my colors, but it turned out great. I love how I made the flowers look like they're behind the other flowers. That was actually my husband's idea. I'm going to start doing a little bit more of these. This is actually an old video. I did it at the end of 2023. I want to thank you to the client that purchased this. The name of this painting was Zest, and I just fell in love with it when it was finished. I wasn't crazy about it in the beginning, but it just turned out great. Thank you to everyone who continues to watch. Hit that like and subscribe if you're not already subscribed to my channel. It'll really help my channel grow. And a big thank you to all the folks, all the clients that are purchasing these flower pops. It's so amazing to have or know that they're hanging in your homes. I'm so very humbled. I thank you from the bottom of my heart. Can't wait to see you on the next one. Take care. Till next time.